Good day to you all. Welcome to Kitoda Academy. Today I'm going to show you how to install VS Code on your computer. In order to install VS Code on your computer, you have to open up your web browser. So I'll open up my Chrome, and then on the search bar you just tap VS Code, then you press enter. So when you do that, it will bring this up for you. The first site here, you click on it, and then it will show you this interface. When this interface pops up, all you need to do is just, when you click here, it's going to show you Visual Studio for macOS, for Windows, and for Linux. You download for the operating system you are using. So for me, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download the Visual Studio setup for Windows. So if you want to download it, you just click here. You just click on this button, download. It's going to show you this interface. If it is not downloading, or the file has refused to download, you can just come and click on this blue button here, and then I'll check my downloads. Here, Visual Studio has finished downloading, so you click here, show in folder. So when you click show in folder, it's going to bring you to this place. As you can see, look at it here, Visual Studio VS Code user setup. You right click on it, and then you go to run as administrator. Please note, it is not compulsory for you to run it as an administrator. You can simply just double click on it, and then it will continue with the installation. If you run it as an administrator, it's going to show you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. If you run it as an administrator, it's going to show you this. Please note, if you didn't run it as an administrator, it's going to show you an interface. On that interface, just click on run and keep on following the installation guide for this video. Click on yes. Okay, you read through their license, you read through it. I read it, yes, I finished reading it, and then I accept, and then next. You want it to create a desktop icon, you check this box here, then you go to next, install. So it's your setup has finished installing Visual Studio. With that, you have successfully installed VS Code on your computer. Thank you so much. Do have a nice day. God bless you.